So thank you very much, Hiba, for this invitation to explain what the counsel training is all about. And so the counsel in arbitration or arbitration practitioner training is a skills-based training. And what we're doing is to help and support colleagues who act as counsel or advocates in arbitration, in commercial arbitration, to exercise their skills, to practice the skills and relevant for their activities. And so we designed, we have a case study, which is a file that the participants would get, and they will prepare ahead of time. They would be meeting in different groups. In their groups, we'll put them in groups of claimant and respondent. They will hold meetings before we arrive in Cairo. In Cairo, we're going to have two language-based tribunals. There'll be a tribunal in English and there will be a tribunal in Arabic. The case study will be in Arabic and in English. So the submissions would also be in Arabic and in English. We're going to have claimants going against respondents all through, and that's what we're going to do. We'll then have SOAS itself issuing to each participant a certificate of attendance. And that certificate of attendance will be sent directly from SOAS to each participant that participates. We've had 3 of these trainings already, and the Cairo training is the last one for 2022. And so the first training, we had the first training in Lagos, Nigeria in April. Then in June we had, and the Lagos training was in English. In June, we had a training in French only in Douala in Cameroon. And then in July, we went to Kigali for East Africa, and we had a training only in English. And this is the 4th one we're having this year, which targets the Arabic-speaking African colleagues and non-African Arabic colleagues and English. And so that would hold in October in Cairo. At the Cairo Regional Center for International Commercial Arbitration. And so the idea, why are we doing this? We're doing this to help build capacity. And so if we are saying that we want African practitioners to fully participate as counsel, as tribunal secretaries, as arbitrators in international arbitration, then we have to ensure that we are prepared, that we have the necessary capacity and we have the necessary experience to enable us to participate. And so that's why we're running the training. This is the first year we're running these trainings, and we've received fantastic review from those who have participated, saying that it's been very helpful for their own practice because it is skills-based. They are doing what it is they've been taught. And that, we think, is what makes it different and what makes it really important. So we look forward to seeing you all in Cairo. So thank you very much.